I had a chance to work one-on-one with Matthias while I was here, and it was really a great experience. We sat together in the camera room, went over settings for macro video, which has been a new passion of mine that I've been working on, looked at some of my original clips, gave me some feedback on those, and then we spent 2 dives in the water. During those dives, it was a great chance to watch how he worked, how he positioned himself, how he thought shots, and then a chance for me to do the same. We looked at those clips afterwards, compared, contrasted, and it was really an amazing experience to see the same scene, the same creature, and the way that he shot it, what he got from that picture versus what I got. I think maybe sometimes I did a little better than him, but maybe I had different equipment, a little smaller, but some other times he did amazing things with a bigger camera and a different setup that really helped me to rethink how I worked. At the end of that session, I did a couple more dives on my own, and I'm confident to say actually I improved, I learned. I got some amazing footage of some shrimp yesterday that I never would have found or shot without a little bit of instruction and the permission to go a little bit slower and think through things more.